Hi, my name is Stefan Esser with EsserHealth.com. In 1995, Dr. Caldwell Esselstyne of the Cleveland Clinic published an article titled "A Strategy to Arrest and Reverse Coronary Artery Disease." In it, he describes his work with 22 patients who had severe coronary artery disease. By placing them on a plant-based diet with 10% of total calories from fat and with continued use of low-dose statins, he showed dramatic changes in both angiographically proven disease and average cholesterol levels. Of the 22 individuals, 5 of them quit in 2 years, 17 continued, and of these 11 had follow-up at more than 5 years' time. All 100% of these 11 that were followed reduced their average cholesterols from 240's range to less than 150. Even more compelling, their vessel stenosis, which is the amount of blockage that was in the vessels themselves, was reduced by 7%. Also interesting, there were no new heart attacks, while the 5 people who, as you recall, quit the program within the first 2 years, reported a total of 10 coronary events in the same time period. This study is compelling because heart disease is the #1 cause of death in America. And because in traditional or allopathic medicine, we have the belief that very little can be done to truly arrest, and certainly very little, if any, to reverse this process. So to see such dramatic both clinical findings, meaning the individuals had no additional heart attacks during this time, as well as angiographically, which means they take a catheter, put it up the groin, and squirt dye into the heart, showing how open the blood vessels are. Well, as I mentioned in this study, it was shown these blood vessels opened up on average up to 7%. Interesting to see these changes occurring. Quite compelling for us in the medical field. So, the link to the study is down below. Take a look, read it for yourself, and see what you think. Certainly gives us something to think about as we move forward. So if you or someone you know is struggling with heart disease, send them to the link. Tell them to take a look. Make a decision for themselves. Look forward to seeing you back soon.